Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customize some gesture. So I add double press and hold for the left and right earbuds because by default it's set to none. Also for the right earbud I change double press and triple press to increase functionality of the gestures, and also I add controls for the button on your charging case. And now let's check it. So if you press 2 times on your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. If you set it as the same as I am, 1, 2, I just pause the song, 1, 2, and I play a song. If you press 2 times at your left earbud, you will play next track, 1, 2. Here we go. If you press 3 times at your left earbud, you will play previous track, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. If you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you will set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini. Now let's check it, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it works. Now, next one is press and hold. And I need to open the application for you to show it. Now, with press and hold at your left or right earbuds, you can swap between ambient sound controls. So now I disable these modes, and if I press and hold on it, I will enable ANC. If I press and hold again, I will enable transparency mode. Excellent. The last one, on the earbuds, we have double press and hold, and you can increase or lower the volume. If you double press and hold on your right earbud, you will increase it, 1. And as you can see, I increase the volume. To lower it, you need to double press and hold at your left earbud, 1, 2. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's make it again, 1, and press and hold. And I just lower it. Cool. Now we have also this button, and I set it. If you press 1 time, you will play or pause the song. As you can see, I just pause it, press again, and I will play a song. If you press 2 times, you will play next track. Here we go. If you press 3 times, you will play previous track. Here we go. And also we have rotate. So if you rotate clockwise, you will increase the volume. So as you can see, I just increase the volume. If you turn it counterclockwise, you will lower the volume. And as you can see, I just lower the volume. And also we have press and hold. And if you let me show it for you. So right here we have game mode, and now it's disabled. If you press and hold, I set it to enable game mode. If you press and hold again, you will disable it. Now the last what we have, I can't change it, it just work, is to double press and hold, and you will enable or disable this button. So you can use it or cannot. So 1 and press and hold. And now I can't use my button. If I want to use it, I need to press and hold again. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.